friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're staying crafty and healthy as well. Let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch the Beach and Boardwalk Swap. Hello my crafty friends, it's been a while. So in today's video we are going to unbox the Beach and Boardwalk Swap that I received. The swap was hosted by the lovely Brooke, and I will leave her social media accounts in the description box below, along with my swapping partner, which I don't know who she is. So I am gonna go ahead and come back with an open box. But look how she, when I say she, Brooke sent the swap nicely wrapped. So I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I opened the swap and it came nicely packaged, and let's go ahead and take all the things out. Oh my goodness, how cute. Oh, this thing came off. Another one, and this is it. Let's see. Some things they came out apart. Yeah, okay, so let's review and reveal the swap. Okay, so I want to see who is my swapping partner. Oh my goodness, I got all these goodies. Oh, handmade with love. I love this jelly tote. Very cute. And these kind of like a sugar cotton swap or sugar cotton swap, whatever it's called, but it's cute. And I believe these are, oh how cute. Ooh, no, it's like that. So that, two, I got two. And then, so this is coming from Ana de los Santos. So I am going to link her social media accounts. And look at the memory decks. Card is very cute, cutesy. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Memory decks card, the Ferris wheel, ticket fun, the ice cream. Then I got these bows. Thank you. I love bows. You know that I don't have that many bows, like handmade, so I'm definitely treasure that. And I love these ephemera. Then, oh my goodness, I got these embellies. I'm gonna open everything up. These are circus tents. So cute. I don't have these die, but I love these shakers. How she made everything. So cute. Maybe I should open these, but I don't want to destroy the back topper. Oh, I can open it. Yeah, I want to save the back topper. Yeah, I was able to save the back topper. So let's open the bows. And I love these bows. Look at that. They're like polka dot bows. Super cute. Then I got Soak Up the Sun. Oh, what is this? Glue dots are really heavy, so I'm going to probably open this up like that. Love it. Oh, back toppers. How cute. Look at that. Oh, another one. Definitely saving all these. And then she sent beads, which I do not have these fluorescent colors. Oh, they're really sealed. But you can see, oh, there's gummy bears too. Love it. I don't have fluorescent beads, so thank you very much. And then stickies, tropical stickies. Oh, these one, I don't have these kind of like seals. Like they look like wax seals, but they are stickers. Cute. And then this other one is Oh, these are rosette. You are so cool. Oh, these are gigantic. Love it, love it, love it. And then inside this ice cream cone, what is in here? Oh my goodness. She also sent me a pokey tool. How cute. And then this pen. I have never seen this one. All right, so wow, a lot of stuff, right? So I am definitely going to link her social media account in the description box below, and definitely go ahead and show her some love. Follow her. Oh, and I have another one. I am forgetting this other one. Oh, these are other bows. Cute, cute, cute. So definitely show her some love and follow her. And thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.